Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Designed by Koyel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a 3/4 angle of a girl's face. It's really easy and it's a step-by-step drawing. So if you like videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. I upload almost every day, and if you like this particular video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and families, and yeah, comment down below your opinions. I would love that. So let's start the video.